So you've probably gotten a few different quotes from a few different contractors, and you want to know what sets us apart from all of them and why you should hire Dura Guard for your brick paver cleaning and sealing project. First and foremost, brick paver cleaning and sealing is the only service we offer. Many other companies out there offer a wide menu of services ranging from painting, pressure washing, roof cleaning, window cleaning. They'll haul some scrap metal away for you. They might trim some shrubs, and they might even do a couple of brick paver cleaning and sealing jobs each year. This is all we do. We have 13 teams actively, and we do 13 jobs a day, every single day, of brick paver cleaning and sealing. Let's start off with the equipment we use. All of our equipment is custom-built, truck-mounted, high-end commercial pressure cleaning equipment. You cannot buy better pressure cleaning equipment than the equipment that we have mounted on each one of our trucks. A lot of our competitors can't afford or justify the use of spending $60,000 to $80,000 on pressure cleaning equipment per vehicle just to prep your surfaces for the sealant. When Dura Guard shows up to your home, you know that every tech working on your project is a platinum level Brick Paver Sealing Institute certified technician. Platinum level is the highest level of the most extensive training that the Brick Paver Sealing Institute puts on. There is no other company with a higher rating, more 5-star reviews, a better standing with the Better Business Bureau, or awards than Dura Guard. One of the major things that sets us apart from our competition is we use Innovative Concrete Technologies line of sealants. They are the most renowned and most durable sealants made available for any of your hardscape surfaces. These sealers are penetrating sealants that soak deep into your brick paver surfaces. They're manufactured here in Florida, designed for Florida pavers. And that's important because Florida has a very unique climate. You can't just use any product. These other products can trap moisture, clouding your pavers, requiring a very expensive stripping in a couple of months or years when it's time to redo it. This line of sealants that we use never need to be stripped. So you don't have to pay for the expensive stripping costs down the road like you're gonna have to do with other products that will fail you. Even down to the sand we use. We use a 2030 silica sand. It's real solid stuff. It hardens to the consistency of concrete, which is gonna do a great job of preventing your pavers from becoming loose and wobbly, shifting and sinking. A lot of our competitors will go to Home Depot or Lowe's in the outside garden center where the children's play sand is exposed to all the elements, rain, sun, hot temperatures, a breeding ground for mold and mildew. And they'll put that children's play sand down in between your brick paver joints, introducing mold and mildew from the pallet when it was outside in the garden center. Another common product that a lot of other companies will use is pool filter sand. Pool filter sand is very, very fine, almost as fine as sugar. So the sealant isn't able to flood between and sink down into all of those granules of pool filter sand because it's so fine that the sand doesn't really penetrate much deeper than a couple of millimeters. So you're not going to have that joint stability going all the way through. Another product really common amongst contractors that are less informed or less experienced here in Florida is polymeric sand. Polymeric sand is not designed for Florida's climate where we have a lot of ground moisture, a high water table, and a lot of humidity in the air. Just as a salt shaker at a beach bar has rice in it to absorb any of the moisture that's in the air, that's how the little polymers in polymeric sand act. They'll soak up any air or ground moisture and harden instantly. Meaning, you can spread that sandbag of polymeric sand around your surface and it will extract any moisture between, below, or in the ground of your pavers or from the humidity in the air on a hot day, and it'll start to harden instantly because to activate the polymeric sand, you mist it with water, and that's what makes it rock hard. Do not let any contractor in the state of Florida put polymeric sand down on your paver surfaces because you will have to have it stripped, and you should expect between $3 and $5 a square foot to strip that off of your pavers. Another huge benefit of hiring Dura Guard Paver Sealing as opposed to our competitors is our warranty. We have a 3-year warranty to protect your surfaces, and you can rest assured in knowing that in the decade that we've been in business, we always answer the phone if there's an issue, and we always take care of all legitimate warranty complaints with a quickness. We also carry all of the necessary Florida license and insurance requirements. so you know that you're protected as a home or business owner when hiring our company, knowing that we have $2 million liability policy. We're covered under all the state licensing requirements. Your home and your assets are protected when we come out on a job. God forbid there's ever an issue where there's damage or injuries that happen on a job site. As always, we really appreciate your support of our small, local, veteran-owned and operated business. If we can do anything further to assist you, please reach out and we'd be happy to help.